So, webcams. There are so many out there to choose from and at so many different prices, and I have reviewed a lot of them on this channel, and today I really wanted to do a face-off between these two. This is the OBSBOT Tiny 4K and the Insta360 Link. We'll compare the quality, features, and price and see which one will win.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. I'll put links to everything down in the description so you can find it nice and easily, plus a surprise link. Okay, so let's just get right to it. The Insta360 Link and the OBSBOT Tiny 4K.
Ready? Go!
They both have 4K quality. They both can track and follow and zoom in. Both have gesture control and both have internal microphones. They're both plug and play, and they both have extra software where you can control it remotely from your computer and fully adjust the picture and even record video. But the difference is, well, I mean, obviously the biggest one is the size. The Link is so much smaller than the Tiny, which is kind of ironic. That in turn just makes it a lot easier when it sits up on top of your monitor or your computer. The Link has its monitor stand built into it, and the OBSBOT has this magnetic mount, which sounds nice in theory, but I have bumped this thing off my computer or monitor so many times just accidentally bumping it. The Link has overhead mode, the Link has whiteboard mode, and the Link has desk view mode. You can have double the preset positions on the Link controller, and the Link has really fast focusing, which is really nice when you're holding up a product or something like that. You want it to focus on that and then you take it away and it focuses back on you. The OBSBOT doesn't really have that. So this is how they look in 4K, 30 frames per second. This is how they follow. And you know what, let's snap a picture, take a screenshot, and which one looks better in the screenshot. And now let's test out the audio. I wanted to test this out on QuickTime as well because I feel like that OBSBOT software is just a little bit boggy. It doesn't really look as good when you're exporting it. So this is a QuickTime, just using a video source and audio source coming from the OBSBOT. All right, so this is the Link. Just to compare apples to apples, the Link is on QuickTime Maximum, and I can already tell it's a bigger file. It does have a wider field of view though, doesn't it? Which is kind of nice. The quality is really good, isn't it? Like that is solid. And like if I hold up a product, it focuses so nice. Like that's what you want. It certainly takes its time. There we go. And as of recording this, the Link comes in around $285 US. And the OBSBOT 4K costs around $215 US. So I mean, $50 could be a big difference if you're just looking for a regular webcam. For me, I would actually spend the extra $50 and get the Link. I think that it's a far better camera. It's smaller, which is nice. The picture looks really good, but those are my thoughts. What are your thoughts? You've seen it, you've heard it. Which one do you think is better? Would you spend the extra money to get the Link if you were looking for a webcam? Let me know, drop a comment. But also new webcams are coming out all the time, so if there is a new one that gets sent to me and it's a good contender against the Link, I will definitely have to battle that out. Until then, stay tuned. A lot of really cool gear coming out on this channel, a lot of exciting stuff and some giveaways, so you don't want to miss that. I'll see you next time.
Mr. Black.